Me see that, Janina, me seen daughter, me just watching daughter a while ago attack. And you can hear the pain in her daughter voice too, and the little pitney, the woman, excuse me, the woman favor him. Bad! No matter how much big song you sing, no matter what you accomplish in your life, no matter how much you do for people, you could have helped the whole Jamaica. If your children them at the end of it all can't stand up and say, Daddy fought for us or Daddy helped us, you failed your mission on the earth. Yeah? Your arrogance and all of them things, they catch up on your brethren. The way you deal with people in a life, brethren, them things, they catch up back on your brethren. Understand that, be. Know that, brethren. And the world will see. And if who want learn, learn. So, yo, when you're up on top, brethren, or a thing I go on for you, when you get an opportunity in a life, brethren, make the best of it, bro. Or sis. Make the best of it, brethren. And be humble and wise. If you don't have, you can help your brother, help your brother. But me see all the brother down in the hospital to rot it, what they know. To the man all talk to all the nurse them down in the public hospital. Them I say, yo, them man and all learn. And the problem in society is, we don't make people learn from, we don't hold people accountable, brethren. You go in the hospital. You go in the hospital and you need the nurse, them and the doctor, them to take care of you in the hospital and keep up one bag of idiot thing. It's like you have to know, say, humble brethren, humble calf. You have to understand. You have to understand that humility is a thing where we need, brethren. You see? You can't wait until you're sick and down. You see? You can't wait until you're in a pain. You can't wait until you can't go. You can't wait until you don't have no food. You show humility, brethren. You can't wait until you need people to stretch and give you show humility and come down like one little brother dog. But if me and my last dinner money, me not give Gully Bop. I'm sorry, people. Because more time I feel like God a teach people a lesson, you know. More time I feel like when God a beat some people, you know, you try to take off some of them beating other people, some of them beating the turn around for you, and I not tell them I don't help a brother, you know. But me just talk about me, brethren. If me and my last, me not give Gully Bop. You see what I say? Me and my last, me nah give him, brother. Me nah do it. Sorry. That's how you go. I'm going to say, yo, anybody can sick and anybody can rave. But anybody God can put under manners. Sometimes God put some people under manners, yeah, man. Sometimes we have to just watch God just work, you know. Because more time God beat some people for sure. Some people say, yo, when you make it in a life, I'm going to think something I go on for you, when me give you an opportunity, make you sight and be humble. So more time you go on your fast in a God business and you get all that beaten too, you know. Yeah, man, more time you say God, come like when you remember when your mother used to beat you? Your mother used to beat you, make anybody try come now the way and try stop her. Everybody get licked. Everybody belt a beat everybody. I say, yo, mama, no me. Yeah, man. You try go take off two of them lick the way mama put on, man. A problem here, man. I fight, you know why I fight me? I fight, you know why I fight me? Yeah, man. So me not fight God, you know. You see? God say get him some bag, that's all you could do. Me not say me not go do it in a garnet. But me not go to my way, brethren. Because more time as me say, brethren, God a beat some people, brethren. God a beat some people more time. You have to just watch it and must make God do him thing, you know. Just say, God, do your thing, you know, God. And maybe God just put him in the right place to send him over Miss Donna, then because Miss Donna then can help him. So maybe I just that, but me I tell you say, if you see a man lay down in a car like brother dog, it's a sad situation still. It's a sad situation. But one thing me know, when me learn so far from Lucky Pang, me learn something from Lucky Pang. Lucky Pang, we just feel better tomorrow and tell you, all I no go suck on the mama. Me don't know if that have to do with influence or anything like that, brethren. Me don't know if that has nothing to do with it. You see? I mean, I say help your brother because if you help your brother, you can't look for nothing. But Lucky Pang is a man who just feel better tomorrow and just tell the whole of us going to mama. Yeah, man. But it's still something for you to learn from from it too. And just know say yo, when you feel like you reach, or you feel like you're better than people, or you feel like don't throw away your stick before you cross the river. Enough people cross the river, you know. Across the river and dash them stick, you know, through them think then get over, you know. Or across the bridge. And some people cross over the bridge and dash them stick and don't know say yo, you might need if you go back over, you know. Yeah man. So true me know say Lucky Pang is a man to get up tomorrow morning and feel like a better and just say, hold on, no. Me just stay out of the way, brethren, and make God work. And Miss Donna them. Make God and Miss Donna them work, brethren. But Miss Donna them anointed. Miss Donna them anointed and God bless them, you know. So God bless them in a surplus. So when God bless people for bless people too. And when God bless Miss Donna them bless people. So maybe at the right place, God send him to get like a blessing. Because if God did want me to bless him, God did send him come at my gate. And know me fool and stay. Me that still help Lucky Pang. After Lucky Pang the internet I style me up, me that still help Lucky Pang. I want to give me last. But now left me gate and I get food or medication. That is just the person with me is. You see? But God not send him to me. Because God said, that man, you cannot or you should never turn your mouth and disrespect that man. God nah send certain people your way, you know. Yeah, man. When I talk about God, I'm some people who have their own concept of God, you know. My concept of God, I want different something than enough people concept of God, you know. So when nobody mix up on God something with my God something, brethren, because my God is a inner God, you know. It's not the food where you defile your body, you know. The words that may come out of your mouth, you know. The words that may come out of your mouth, brethren, are them that defile your body, you know, brethren. Understand that, you know. The words that may come out of your mouth, brethren. Them thing there, you see words that want to put on people, brethren. Them thing that come in the repercussion, you know. You see when you put all in the mouth on people, pick me and put in the mouth on good people. And enough of you boy, you go suffer, you know. Because the words that may come out of the mouth cause hurt. The words that may come out of the mouth cause pain. The words better when they beat up somebody, brethren, and know say, yo, I just fight, we no fight and that done. You understand me I say? I just fight, no fight and that done, brethren, and you know, so when you move on, a man beat up or you beat up a man or the fight dry, you know, say, yo, I saw it go. But you see when you put words on people, brethren, judgment I go reach, yo, me say no judgment, listen me no man, somehow no judgment I go wicked, boy, yeah. You can get people to do things for you, no? You can get people to kill people. You can get people to beat up people. You can get people to cuss people. You can get people on social media to go around and campaign against people for you know. But one thing, you see, you as a person, when sickness coming up, and you it attack. When the judgment coming up, and you it attack. If you used to use words and hurt people, people are going to remember. Because the Bible says, you know, God love a cheerful giver. And that the Bible says, you know. The Bible says God love a cheerful giver. What that mean? It means that when me I give you something, you know, me no fi have no form of hurt or regret. Me no fi think twice fi give you. Me no fi give you and I say, boy, me I go give you still, you know, but remember how you deal with me, you know. Me not supposed to give you and me a remember when me see you, me I say, but no, you did a style me up. No, you did try this me. No, you did want to kill me. Me not supposed to give you and have nothing in the back of my mind where try hinder me from give you. Because God love a cheerful giver. Me supposed to give and glad. Like how me and Ninja Kid say right now with the help our brother there if him reach to where we will last. Me that glad. Me that glad. Just forget the call. If me just get the call. Me hear man. If me just get the call, brethren. Yo, more time I get some people, you know. And me feel happy. Yeah, with him. More time I get some people, I mean, it's like what the lady and Gavil. Gavil say a woman rob him $2,000 and him just call somebody at Jamaica and give them some money. And the man say the best thing ever feel for give this somebody the money. More time you get some people, brethren, you feel happy. You just feel good. Your heart just feel light. You just feel good. If you know, say, yo, you give that person there. Got that person there. Bring a joy to your brethren. Some wicked people, boy, some evil people, boy, your brethren. We style up people, show off on people. Do all manner of things to people. When for them time come, if you stretch their hand, there's not going to be a lot of cheerful giver. There are not going to be a lot of cheerful givers. People just give you because they must say a sickness. People just give you because they're sorry for you. That you have to understand. Me no want nobody give me nothing if them because them sorry for me, them a give me. No.